Hey, hello everybody. How are you? I hope you are having a wonderful day. So welcome to another video of the channel. So I hope you are watching my videos. You are all beginner with Amazon KDP and you don't know how things work. But is it? I have a question. I have a question for you. Do answer it on comments. Is it possible to make $100,000 a month with Amazon KDP by just uploading no content and low content? By just uploading, sorry, I have to just say low content. Is it possible to make $100,000? Sorry, I just put 100k. 100k dollars a month with just uploading low content book. Is it possible? In this world nothing is possible, but when we talk about low content book, the market is becoming the competition is becoming very high. We have established brands now who are making almost $50,000 to $70,000 a month. I have a proof. If you want a detailed video, if these established companies are making $550,000 or not, do let me on comments. I will give you a proof and I will do this mathematical calculation if they are making or not. If they are making more than $50,000 a month, so is it possible to make? Yes, it is possible, but you have to spend a lot of money in ads, almost around 50% of your. Let's suppose if you are making $50,000 a month, you have to spend almost 20 to 25,000. If you know how ad works, you have to spend 20 to 25,000 dollars to make $50,000. It is 100% gain on your investment. So if you wanna make 100k a month with Amazon KDP, you have to spend almost 40,000 to $50,000 in ad a month. Then it is possible for you to make $100,000 a month. But you have a very big catalog of almost 100 high quality books which have a nice interior, nice cover. If you have 100 to 200 high quality books, it's a low content. It doesn't matter if it's a low content, okay, no problem. If it's low content, you have to almost 100 to 200 high content books. High content means the cover inside it's low content, but the quality of interior and cover has to be very high. You just have to do your title, your subtitle in a very simple way. Don't confuse your customer. Whenever you are just putting too much in your title and subtitle, you are just giving your customer an edge to not buy your book. You will just gonna confuse your customer and they will not buy anything. So don't do that. Just make it simple. And if you spend $30 to $40,000 a month, yes, it is possible to make 100k a month. A lot of people are scaling this business till I know I did my mathematical calculation with some established brand on Amazon and they are making more than 100k a month in revenue. If you want to make 100k revenue, you have to spend almost 30 to 40% in ads. In all businesses we have spent like this. If you are someone who is struggling, if you are spending $100 a month, you will make around, if you are not making organic sales, you will spend $100, you will easily make 300 to 400. When your capital is less, you can make 3 to 4 times. But when your CPC become very high, because when you have to spend 50k a month, your CPC would be very high. But when you have to spend $100, your CPC will be low. So that's why you will give a nice conversion and your A cost will be very low. So that's how you will make $100 to $300 if you spend in ad. But when you are scaling a business, then your A cost will be high, but you are getting a lot of sales. Let's suppose if if you get from by spending $50,000 in your for making $100,000, you will make almost, let's suppose, if you are getting $3 royalties per book, so you will get almost 1,000 sales from ad. If you get $1,000, 1,000 sales and ads, your book will rank high, really high. It will rank 300, 400, 1,000. And when your book rank very high, you will get a lot of organic sales. So when you play a big game, when you spend a lot of money, you will get a lot of organic sales. But when you spend less, you will not get a lot of organic sale. Mostly of your sales comes from ad, and you have a nice ACOS. In this, you will make a loss, because you will not make $50,000 by ads, but you will get a lot of organic sales with this ad. When your book ranks high, it will just give you an edge to make a lot of organic sales. I hope you get my point. Whenever you are spending $100, you can't rank your book very high, because you have a limited budget. But when you don't have any constraint with the budget, you will just spend like crazy, then you will get a lot of organic sale. And this is how these big brands are manipulating Amazon. They have this huge budget and they are spending like crazy, and they will make a lot of organic sales. In ads they are in losses, but overall they are in profit, because when they spend this 50,000, they will get only 1,000 ads, 1,000 sales from ad, but 10,000, I'm just $10,000, 10,000 sales from ads. And if you make $10,000 from $10,000 sales and spend 50,000, you will make 30,000. If your royalty is $3 per book, you will make $30,000, and you are spend 50,000, you are $20,000 down. But from where this $20,000 come? From organic sales. You will get a lot of organic sale when you have that much big amount to spend. I hope you got this and got the idea how these big players are playing. And if you want to know a mathematical calculation with different brands established on Amazon, there are so many brands, Coloring Book Cafe, and a lot of similar brands, Jade Summer. If you want, I will do a mathematical calculation and tell you how they are making that much amount of money. So do let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.